How to create KakaoTalk account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Personal, and today I'll guide you on how you can create KakaoTalk Messenger account. And now the process itself is quite simple and easy. First things first, you'll have to install the application. You can get the application on your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. You can simply open up your Play Store or App Store and search in for KakaoTalk, and you'll get this application here as you can see on the screen, and you want to install it. Once you install it, you want to simply open it up and it'll take you to the login page here. What you want to do is, you can see it'll ask you for certain permissions, your phone permissions, your allow access to your photos, videos and audio, and your contacts. You want to simply tap on accept and tap on allow here at the bottom of your screen, and again tap on allow and tap on allow for whichever permission it asks. And now it'll take you to login page. Right on the login page, you can see login option and sign up option. Simply tap on sign up in order to create new account, and here you can see various options. You want to tap on every single information that is shown here except for the optional, and tap on agree and continue. And once you check mark all this, you want to enter in your phone number. If your country is different, you can search it. You can tap on the arrow here, downward arrow that you can see on the screen here, and choose your country, or you can search in for your country and enter in your mobile number. Once you enter in, simply tap on OK here. Make sure you enter in the number correctly here and tap on OK, and you will receive a verification code on your phone. Tap on OK. Now what you'll have to do is, you'll have to send this particular message to this particular number from your SIM card, and you'll get a verification code, and you want to enter that verification code here. Once you do so, your account will be created. So this way you can create KakaoTalk account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.